A very good morning, all of you. Today we will start lesson number 15, Some Natural Phenomena, Class 8, Science, Part 1. Some natural phenomena. What does that mean? Something which happens naturally is considered as natural phenomena. Contained electrical charge, electroscope, lightning and earthquake. We will talk about all this in detail. Electric charge. It was discovered about 2500 years ago. It was discovered by Greek scientist called Thales. An object without any charge called uncharged object, which doesn't have any charge, and the object with electric charge is called the charge object. The process of giving charge is called the charging of the object. Electric charge in 20th century experiment demonstrated that electric charge is quantized. That means you can measure it. The charging of an object by rubbing it with other object is charging by the friction. You might have done the scale activity and you might have seen small pieces of paper getting attracted towards the charge. The electric charge generated by rubbing or frictions are called the static electric charge because they last for some period of time. Let's talk about what is electroscope. A device used for detecting electric charge of an object. It was first electrical measuring instrument. The first electroscope, a pivoted needle called the Versorrum. It was invented by British physician William Gilbert around 1600. Electroscope. The gold leaf electroscope was developed in 1787 by British Clagram and physicist Abraham Bennett. The electroscope can also be charged without touching it to the charged object by the electrostatic induction. The electric potential or voltage of the object equals its charge divided by its capacitance to electroscope can be regarded as. You can see the various types of electroscope in the image. What is lightning? The bright light which falls during rainy season, which we see in the cloud, is called the lightning. There are three types of lightning: cloud to itself, from one cloud to another, and cloud to the ground. The electric nature of lightning was established by the Benjamin Franklin. Lightning occurs approximately 40 to 50 times a second worldwide, resulting in nearly 1.4 flashes per billion flashes per year. It is a massive electrostatic discharge between electrically charged region within the clouds or between the cloud and the earth's surface. The lightning which usually occur within the cloud in the sky is called the sheet lightning, and the lightning which usually occur between the cloud and the earth or the objects is called the fork lightning. The science of lightning is called the phenomenology. The fear of lightning is called the astrophobia. Lightning is not distributed evenly around the planet. About 70% of lightning occur over the land in the tropics where atmospheric convection is the greatest. Picture for the lightnings are shown here. Images for the fork lightning which come towards the earth. Images for the sheet lightning which stays in the sky. Dangers of lightning. When a lightning strikes the earth, it causes lot of damage to the property, especially building. Although lightning is beautiful phenomena, but it's very dangerous. Before 4 days, lightning was struck 3 times in the Lake Forest at Chicago. Images of damage caused by the lightning. How badly it can damage the property. Lightning conductor is a device used to protect the building from the effect of lightning. The function of lightning conductor is to conduct any lightning strike safely to the earth without causing any damage to the building. The lightning rod was invented by Benjamin Franklin in North America in 1749. You can see the image of lightning rod, how they are placed in the building, so excessive lightning will be passed to the ground plate and you can avoid the destruction. Make measures to protect ourselves from lightning. Don't take shelter in open space. A house or a building will be the safe place. Open vehicles like motorbike, scooter, tractor are not safe. We should avoid the raising umbrella overhead during the lightning as because it lightning may strike at the top of the umbrella. The TV antennas are more prone to lightning, so we should switch off our TV sets during lightning. Earthquake. The sudden shaking or the trembling of earth's surface which lasts for the short period of time is called the earthquake. It is destructive natural phenomena which cannot predict in advance. Earthquakes are measured as observations from the seismometers. Earthquake can also cause flood, landslides and the tsunamis. Why do earthquakes occur? The earthquake occur due to the reason plates slide past one another, collide with one another. Seismic zone. The weak zone of earth crust are called the seismic zone. Images for the earthquake, which are very fatal earthquake leading to so many destructions and the death. Seismograph is an instrument which measures and records the magnitude of earthquake in terms of shock waves that produce. This was the introductory video. We will discuss more about this lesson in coming video. Thank you.